Hi guys, it's Dream and today I'm going to show you how to create a quality image on Funimate. So, I made here a before and after to show you guys the difference. And now I'm going to go to the second clip, which is the after. Go to the keyframe and add effect. Now the first effect that we're gonna add is sharpen, obviously. This is it. Now I'm going to set it around 15%. And there's already a difference. Like if we hide the effect, this is how it looks and this is how it looks after. Like you can definitely see it has sharpened the image. Now the second effect that we're gonna add is named unsharp mask. So this is it. I'm going to set the amount to around same, like around 15%, and I'm gonna set the radius to max. Now after applying these two effects, you can already see a big difference, so I'm gonna let you guys watch it. You can see the increase of quality in the image, and on top of it you can also add a gradient overlay just like this one, and you can set the start color to white and the end color to black. Set the blend mode to overlay and set the opacity to around 75%. Now we're gonna make the gradient overlay radial, and we're gonna set the start point so it's on the face of the person that we're editing. Now I'm going to drag the end position and I'm gonna pull it further away. Now if the face of the person is a little overblown like this, all you can do is just drag the opacity down and it's gonna be perfect. So now leaving it at 50%, I'm gonna let you guys watch the difference between the qualities. So this is the original photo and this is after. You can see it looks much more professional and it's just really helping the photo and the quality overall.